Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change the password of the Linux user. In this video I am going to create user, then we will see how to change the password of the user. Okay, so first create user, sudo user add James, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user. We have successfully created a user. Now verify whether this user is there or not. More /etc password, then grep James. See, we have created user James. Okay, now let us change the password of this user. Sudo passwd, then provide the username. This is the command to change the password of the user in Linux. Now provide the password, retype the same. We have successfully updated or changed the password. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to change the password of the Linux user. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.